my lovelies there. I hope you guys are doing great and taking proper care of yourself. So whether you're a beginner or you're a professional, there is one product without which you cannot do. Yes, I'm talking about the lipstick. Yes, lipstick is a product which is a must have, and अगर आपने सारा makeup कर लिया and you do not have the perfect lip shade और lipstick अच्छे से नहीं लगाई, then your makeup is not gonna look good. So yes, without any further ado, let's see some hacks, some lipstick hacks which everybody, every girl, every makeup enthusiast should know, so that they can pull it off very nicely. They can look put together, and they can make their lipstick smudge proof, budge proof, and also can prevent them from spreading into our lips or into their lips or tooth, whatever you can say. So without any further ado, let's get started.
So in the first step, we will exfoliate our lips, we'll prep our lips. So for prepping our lips, we'll just apply the lip balm, and lip balm लगाने के बाद we will take a clean toothbrush से अपने lips को अच्छे से exfoliate करेंगे. We'll rub it on our lips for few seconds, and this will remove all the dead skin from our lips, and it will make our lips soft, smoother, and the application of lipsticks will be better. Hack number 2 is to apply the concealer or foundation onto our lips before applying the lipstick. This is gonna solve the problem of pigmentation. अगर lips में कोई pigmentation है या फिर lipstick का color बहुत उभर के नहीं आता है, then this gonna solve that problem, and the color of our lipstick will pop out. It will come very prettily. All we have to do is to apply the concealer on our lips, and our canvas is ready. After that, you can apply your lipstick, and अब जब lipstick लगाएंगे, then our lipstick color will pop out very nice, and our lips will look very pretty. बहुत सुंदर लगेंगे. Hack number 3 is for liquid lipsticks. To get that perfect shape, all you have to do is make a cross in between near your cupid bows. Now extend it till the end of your lips, till the corner of your lips. On your lower lips, apply it the center, and then stretch it towards outward till the corner of your lips. Now just fill the gaps, and here you have perfect red lips or perfect bold lips. Hack number 4 is to how to mattify our lips and how to make it smudge proof. All we need is a tissue paper and some translucent powder. Apply the tissue paper on your lips, and after that, take some powder on the brush and apply it all over your lips. And here you have smudge proof lipstick, a very matte and very pretty lipstick. In step number 4, we will use our pink lipsticks as blusher. Yes, हमें blush खरीदने की अलग से कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. If you have any pink lipstick, then you can apply it on your cheekbones, and you can apply it little on your nose, and here you have perfect blush. We will blend everything together, and we will see how our face looks, how fresh our face looks, and कितना खूबसूरत and कितना natural लग रहा है. For another hack, we will use our lipsticks as eyeshadow. Yes, कोई भी nude lipstick ले ले या pink lipstick ले ले, and apply it all over your crease and get a very pretty and very cute eyeshadow in minutes. Another hack is to get a matching eyeliner. Yes, अपने lipstick से match करता हुआ eyeliner पा सकते हैं. How? What you have to do is take any liquid lipstick, and then take a small eye brush, and then take some lipstick on it, and then apply it as an eyeliner. Very simple, right? And here you have matching eyeliner matching to your lipstick. Such a cute hack, right? In our next hack, we will make our own DIY lipstick remover. For that, on a cotton pad, we will pour some coconut oil, and we are good to go. Our very effective, natural and organic lipstick remover is ready. All we have to do is swipe it over our lips few times, and our lipstick will come out no matter how waterproof or smudge proof it is. You guys can see the result on your own.
Thank you so much, guys, and remember, I love you all, and your feedback and your comments matter a lot to me, and we can also be friends on Instagram. My Instagram handle is somewhere on the screen. So guys, that's all in this video. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी है, then you know what you have to do is you have to give it a big thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any feedback, suggestion or comment, let me know in the comment section. And also do not forget to hit the bell icon, so that next time when I upload a video, you all get notified. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your precious time, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye guys.